Akola, a vibrant city in Maharashtra, offers more than just historical sites and cultural heritage. It is also home to a variety of delightful restaurants that serve everything from traditional Indian meals to spicy Mughlai delights. Whether you are a foodie or a casual diner, Akola's dining scene promises flavor, comfort, and memorable culinary experiences. Let us explore the top 10 best restaurants in Akola, each with its own charm, cuisine, and local flares. The first one is Dawat Restaurant. Located close to the Akola railway station, Dawat Restaurant is a family favorite known for its authentic North Indian and Mughlai dishes. The chicken biryani, butter chicken, and mutton korma are especially popular here, with the spice level well balanced for local plates. The ambience is welcoming and suitable for family outings or casual gatherings. Quick service and reasonable prices make it even better. The average price for a meal is around 300 rupees per person. The second one is Mirch Masala. Situated in the heart of Akola near the civil lines area, Mirch Masala lives up to its name by serving bold and spicy flavors. Known for its tandoori items, chicken curries, and vegetarian combos, this place always bustles with local craving a hearty meal. The decor is simple and the price is fast, making it ideal for lunch, breaks, or group dinners. You can expect to spend around 250 rupees per person for a fulfilling meal. The third one is Courtyard by Jasnagara. Found near the Golden Square area, Courtyard by Jasnagara is a popular restaurant that combines elegant ambience with multiple cuisine options. These are everything from Punjabi gravies to Indo-Chinese meal. The seating is comfortable and the presentation of the food adds a touch of class. Their paneer, lababdar and sizzling brownies are local favorites. A meal here typically costs around 350 rupees per person. The fourth restaurant is Hotel Dilli Darbar. Nested in the bustling old town market, Hotel Dilli Darbar is a heaven for biryani lovers. Known for serving some of the tastiest Hyderabadi style biryanis and Mughlai gravies, the restaurant offers a true local experience. Though the decor is basic, the flavors speak for themselves. It's often busy during weekend and lunch hours. Average cost per person is 180 rupees, making it a great budget-friendly choice. The next one is Sarkar Hyderabadi Biryani and Mughlai Restaurant. Located on Tapadia Nagar Road, Sarkar Hyderabadi Restaurant is a must-visit for fans of rich Mughlai cuisines. Their mutton biryani, chicken masala, and kebabs are loaded with flavors and spices that leave a lasting impression. Thought compact in space, the sitting is clean and comfortable. It is a go-to place for a hearty non-veg meal under 220 rupees per person. The next one is Harshvardhan Family Restaurant. Situated in Ganesh Nagar, this family restaurant serves a balanced menu of North Indian and Chinese food, ideal for mixed dining preferences. The vegetarian thali, paneer dishes, and fried rice are consistently praised by locals. The space is neat and well lit, making it suitable for small celebrations or casual dinners. A meal here usually costs around 200 rupees per person. The next one is Sanskriti Garden Restaurant. Located near the outskirts of the city, Sanskriti Garden Restaurant offers a clean, open-air dining experience amidst greenery. It is known for its garden ambience, freshly prepared curries, and vegetarian delights. Their dal tadka, naan, and Manchurian are some of the crowd favorites. Favorite for family dinners or group outing. The cost per person here is about 180 rupees. The next one is Eat and Meet Cafe and Restaurant. Situated near Varhat Restaurant in Shastri Nagar, Eat and Meet is a modern cafe-style eatery offering both fast food and Indian meals. Their burger, cheese sandwiches, butter chicken, and mocktails attract the young crowd. The sitting is casual and cozy, ideal for friends hangouts. Average spend is about 200 rupees per person, and service is generally fast. The second last is the Eska restaurant. Located at Station Chowk, the Eska restaurant is a stylish avenue offering a variety of cuisines including Indian, Mughlai and Chinese. Known for its chicken handi and veg kolhapuri, the food is rich and flavorful. The interior is sleek with soft lighting, offering a slightly upscale feel in the city's settings. The average price here is 300 rupees per person, suitable for special meals or date nights. The last one is Anand Restaurant. Anand Restaurant, located centrally in the Murtizapur Road area, it is a simple and homely place known for its authentic Maharashtrian meals. Dishes like sabudana, khichdi, puri bhaji, and thali meals are fresh, made, and served with love. The environment is basic but clean, and the food tastes just like home. It is a great budget option with meals typically costing 120 to 150 rupees per person. Here are some tips for dining in Akola. Visit during off-peak hours like early lunch or early dinner to avoid long waits, especially at popular spots like Dawat or Delhi Darbar. Carry cash as not all small eateries are budget-friendly restaurants accept digital payments, especially in the older areas of the city. Ask locals for spice level preferences if you are not used to spicy food. Most places can adjust the heat to your liking. If you are vegetarian, look for pure veg signs, which are common in Maharashtra, and ensure a fully vegetarian kitchen. Check for parking space, especially in crowded areas like civil lines and Tapadia Nagar, where restaurants get busy quickly. Akola's food culture is a flavorful journey through spice, tradition, and warm hospitality. Whether you are a fan of Mughlai cuisine looking for budget-friendly thalis or just want a cozy cafe vibe, the top 10 restaurants have something for everyone. So next time you are in Akola, don't miss out on the local taste and treat yourself to a meal that both satisfying and memorable. Thanks for watching.